between the TCL Philippines and Tesda Regional Training Center NCR. So on behalf of the entire TCL family, I'd like to extend our deepest gratitude to the Tesda leadership and team for embracing this collaboration with such openness and shared purpose. At TCL, we always believe that innovation is the most meaningful when it creates opportunities. This partnership reflects that belief through the new Tesda TCL Learning Facility Hub. We aim to provide students with more than just equipment. We are offering real-world training, mentorship from our service experts, and a clear path from education to employment. So this is a part of